Hi, my name is Arshia. I am going to teach about the basics of computers. Computer is an electronic device that processes data to produce meaningful information. It performs four major functions. That four major functions are input, processing, output, and storage. Now we are going to know about these four major functions with an basic example. Here I have given one basic example that making orange juice using a juicer. See here, oranges putting a raw oranges inside the juicer is our input means whatever the raw things we are giving to the juicer to make a juice is our input. Inside the juicer is taking the raw things and it is converting into the juice. What the processing happens inside the juicer is our processing, and the ready juice is our output. In a computer language, if you want to understand about the concept of input, processing, and output. Input means whatever the data we are typing from the keyboard to the CPU is our input. What the CPU will read the data and convert it as a final print, it will show on a monitor, is our output. Now what is a storage? Example, you have prepared the orange juice and you don't want to drink that orange juice at that time. You are going and keeping that orange juice inside the fridge. That is our store example. We can give that as a storage. Means you have already prepared the output for the data and you have stored somewhere in the system, is our storage. Now we learn about the components of the computer. There is a input devices, output devices, CPU and memory. These are the components of our computer. Input means whatever. Input means there will be a keyboard, mouse and scanner. Output devices or monitor, printer, speakers. CPU means central processing unit. It is also called as the brain of a computer. Memory means in the memory field the things will come is our RAM, ROM, hard disk and SSD and pen drive. Now let us know about the what is software and hardware here. Software Hardware means physical parts of the computer such as keyboard, monitor and CPU. Software means programs that operate the computer. For this we can give a best example that software means we can't touch and feel. Hardware means we can touch and feel. Example, we can easily touch the monitor, we can easily touch the CPU, we can easily touch the keyboard and we can feel it that monitor is here, CPU is here and keyboard is here. But we can't touch the application inside the monitor, isn't it? We can't touch the application inside the mobile phone. Okay, which we can't able to touch and we can't able to feel it. That is called software. Okay, example for the system software is OS means operating system, and application software is MS Officer and browser games. Now we were going to learn about the types of a computer. Supercomputer, mainframe computers, mini computers and microcomputers are the types of the computers. Supercomputers are used for scientific research. Mainframe computers are used by large organizations. Mini computers are used as a multi-user mid-range systems. Microcomputers are used as a personal computers. Now, at the last, we are going to the applications of the computer. Application of the computers are used in education, business, healthcare, research, communication, and entertainment. Here we can see that being a modern day kid, you must have used, seen, or read about computers. This is a because they are an integral part of our everyday existence, be in school, banks, shops, railway stations, hospitals, or your own home. Computers are present everywhere. making our work easier and faster for us. Now, what is the conclusion of the computer? Computer are essential tools in modern life. Using their basics helps improve productivity and digital skills. Thank you.